Welcome to this tutorial. In addition to FTP clients such as FileZilla, there are other ways to manage files in your own web space, for example by using the File Manager in KeyHelp. To do this, open the File Manager section as a user in the left-hand menu under General. In the File Manager, you will see all files located in your personal home directory. Within this directory, you can create websites and store them inside the www directory. Files that you do not want to make accessible via the internet should be placed in /files, for example your backups. In the table, you can see the respective name, the file size, the last modification date, the permissions, and the owner and group of the file or the folder. By clicking on the respective menu under Actions, you have the option to rename the file or folder. You can also define who is allowed to edit this file or folder under Change Permissions. For example, you can remove the writing permission. In this case, the file can be read, but no longer be modified. The numbers 555 represent the numerical file permission. In the table, this is shown as a short form of the permissions. R stands for read, W stands for write, and X stands for execute. In the same menu, you can also copy or move the file or folder, create an archive from it, download it, or delete it. Text files such as CSS and HTML files can be edited directly by clicking on the corresponding file. You can then adjust the file content according to your needs. Under New, you can create a new directory, a new empty file, or a link. You can also upload new files very easily using the Upload button next to it, either from local storage or directly from an URL. Using the checkbox at the bottom, you can decide whether existing files should be overwritten. There are no limits regarding file formats, as long as they do not exceed the maximum file size. If you want to copy, move, or delete several files at once, first select the respective files using the checkbox on the left side of the table and then click on Bulk Actions at the top. Here choose the desired action, click Apply, and in the case of copying or moving, enter the target directory. You now have a good overview of the KeyHelp File Manager. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial.